Hi, I'm Stacy with WTI. I'm about to make all of your walks a lot more easier. Thanks to these awesome lights from Knuckle Lights, you can walk very easily and they're so easy to carry along with you. This is a set of 2 lights and they completely wrap around your knuckles. Even if you're wearing gloves, they are completely adjustable so that you can easily put them on. I really like that they're easy to operate and they have 3 different light settings. You can do a straight streaming light or blinking lights depending on how you feel about your safety while you're walking. The lights are really easy to hold on to. Because you're using your knuckles, you can easily walk and keep your arms moving while you're walking. The lights are super bright. I was really impressed. Even on dark nights, you can really see the road really well, so you don't have to worry about tripping on pavement or on uneven ground. As you're walking, you can flash them wherever you need to, and they'll provide lots of lighting. I really love that they're completely adjustable because as it gets colder, I have to wear gloves when I'm walking, but I can easily fit these over my gloves with no problem. The lights are operated by a battery, which is super easy to change out. In the bottom, you can see that it has that compartment, and that's really all you need to get going so that you can keep doing your walks. When you add these lights into your routine, you don't have to worry about stopping your walks even in the dusk or bright hours of the morning, and they make the road really easy to see. But that's just my point of view.